Hi. Removing watermarks from videos doesn't have to be a complicated process. With Watermarker Remover, it's fast and easy. I created this program to help you save time and effort. To start, you get 1,000 points, which is enough for many watermark removals. Each removal costs 20 points, and you can keep using the program for a long time. Simply drag and drop your video, click Generate, and the program will start working. The processing time is about 5 minutes, and the watermark will disappear. It works quickly and automatically. After 5 minutes, your video will be cleared, and your balance will drop to 980 points. Since the program uses advanced AI technology, the difference is almost invisible after the watermark is removed. The program automatically blends the background and adjusts the video seamlessly, making it look as if there was never a watermark. Now, let me show you the video with the watermark before we process it. Here's the result. The watermark is gone, and your balance has updated with the new experience using the program. Sometimes, if the background is complex or the watermark is too bright, the result might be partial. But in most cases, the program works perfectly and quickly. Sometimes, your antivirus may flag the program because it loads external libraries needed for its functionality. This is not an error. It's just that the system defender might see it as a potential threat. To avoid blocking, you'll need to temporarily disable your antivirus. To do this, open Windows Search, type Defender, and temporarily turn it off. Don't forget, the program should be run as administrator to correctly load the necessary libraries. You can find the link to the program in the pinned comment under this video. Just download it and follow the simple instructions, and you'll be able to easily remove watermarks from your videos.